In a revealing development, President Idi Mnangagwa is allegedly devised a plan to dismantle the opposition entirely before the 2028 elections. Sanabana mashoko ari kubuda panapa sezvamazvinzwira muchinzi kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika akurunga dhende arunga plan rekuda kuparadza opposition yese vasati vasvika pama-harmonized election. Kuti vasubscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipina muna monywa muchinzi, the strategy appears to be gaining momentum as several members of the opposition Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) have recently defected to the ruling party ZANU-PF. The defections took place in St. Mary's Ward 5, Chitungwiza, where former CCC chairwoman Winnie Chiundura was among the prominent figures to switch alliances. At a public event that included the burning of CCC regalia, Chiundura cited dissatisfaction with the CCC's leadership and a lack of progress as a reason for abandoning the opposition. The move reflects a troubling trend for the CCC, which faces increasing challenges to its cohesion and public support. The officials welcomed the defections with enthusiasm, framing them as a testament to the ruling party's growing influence. As ZANU-PF spokesperson stated, Tinotanga campaign for 2028, suggesting that the party is already gearing up for the next electoral battle by capitalizing on dissent within opposition ranks. Ndo mashoko atirikuona kuti aiwa vakomana ava they are mobilizing, tichiona kuti aiwa individuals kana kuti vanhu vaionekwa sevari loyal to the Citizen Coalition for Change aiwa vakudeflecta vakubuda vachinopinda muthe regime yava iri kuonekwa seplan aiwa by the regime yekuda kuparadza the opposition totally and entirely before ma 2028 elections. Imbudze mafungiro enyu kuti vanozvikwanisa here ava, nokuti imimi muri kutonzwa panapa ndiye masupporters acho eopposition iri loyal kune Chamisa kuti aiwa munokwanisa kuterminatewa here, munobvuma here kubribewa, munobvuma here kutengewa aiwa kuti akwanise kubvisa change munyika yeZimbabwe. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi aiwa pana comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.